Okay guys, so here's proof of a tip that I found online actually worked. Pretty darn good, I might say. So I wanted to get this label off of that wonderful container. And I started trying to peel, so you could see here, started to rip and it was sticky, so I Googled how to remove it. The top link was from thriftyfun.com, and I'm scrolled through, and a post by the Ant, I think it was November of 2009 post, said that hot water inside the container, that these are heat sensitive, will help remove it. So I went, well, let's kill two birds with one stone. I have to clean the inside of that thing anyway. Woohoo! It's going to be for crayons and markers and or pencils, that kind of stuff for the grandbabies. Yahoo! Easier to see in that container than the one they currently have. And then also, so I did that and started peeling almost immediately, and that was just really hot tap water. I've got some pretty hot tap water. And once I got all of these little places here that were ripped to start coming together, you know how you work it. It basically peeled off in one huge straight piece, and not even any residue, glue residue on this container. So, yay, thanks to thriftyfun.com. my first, feedback post.